Today, we are going to crochet this Christmas gingerbread man. Can be used as a patch hairpin, pendant or brooch. The wire uses 5 strands of milk cotton. Use with 2.5 millimeters crochet. Like my video, please click like to subscribe. Next, let's crochet together. Let's hook and weave the head of gingerbread man. First, start the needle circularly. Make 2 rings on your fingers. Then, the crochet needle goes through the needle lifting ring. Bring out a coil, 2 turning chains. Then, hook weave 12 double crochets in the stitch ring. After 12 double crochets are completed, tightening coil. Pull the inner line segment first. Pull the outside thread again. The crochet is threaded back into the coil. Hook weave a slip stitches connection with the first stitch. Then crochet a turning chains. Cut the line. Leave the thread ends a little longer. So gingerbread man's head is complete. Next, crochet the body part. First, start the needle circularly. A loop is brought out when the crochet is threaded into the needle starting ring. Then crochet to turning chains.
In the needle starting ring,
10 double crochets. Tighten the coil after 10 double crochet are knitted. Then hook weave a slip stitches with the first stitch connect. Next, crochet 7 chain stitches. Return to the 3rd stitch from the bottom. Flip to the back and pick a line from the back. That is his Li Shan. Double crochet. 5 double crochets in total. So gingerbread man's one leg is finished. Then go back to the main body. Skip a stitch on the main body without hook. Hook slip stitches in the next stitch. Then crochet 7 chain stitches. We crochet the second leg. Then the crochet thread is wound. Return to the 3rd stitch from the bottom. Begin crochet. 5 double crochets in total. Then go back to the main body. Skip a stitch on the main body without hook. Hook and weave a slip stitches in the next stitch. Sew 2 legs. Finished. Next, crochet the part of the arm. First, crochet 5 chain stitches. Next, crochet winding. Return to the 3rd stitch from the bottom. Start to crochet double crochet. 3 double crochets in total. Then go back to the main body. Skip a stitch without hook. In the next stitch, hook and weave a slip stitches. Then in the back to stitches. Each hook weaves a slip stitches. Then continue to crochet 5 chain stitches. We begin to crochet the other arm. The crochet thread winding returns to the 3rd stitch from the bottom. 3 double crochets in total. Skip a stitch without hook. Hook and weave a slip stitches in the next stitch. Then crochet a turning chains. Cut the line. Thread and pulling out. Next, sew the head and body together. About 3 stitches will do. Then hide the thread. Thread the thread into the back at random. Then cut the line. Next, in gingerbreadman's, each outside, hook and weave a slip stitches inside the stitch. Two slip stitches can be crocheted in the stitch of the inflection point. Cut the thread after crochet to the last stitch. Hand stitches. Thread through. First stitch. Then wear it back. In the last stitch. Next, crochet the bow knot. First, make 2 rings on your fingers. The high needle penetrates into the needle starting ring. Hook weave 3 turning chains. Then, the crochet thread is wound.
In the needle starting ring.
3 double crochets. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Hook and weave slip stitches in the stitch ring. Then continue to crochet 3 chain stitches. Then continue to crochet 3 double crochets in the stitch ring. Then weave 3 chain stitches. Pull in the needle ring. Hook and weave a turning chains to cut the thread and pull out the thread head. Next, deal with the opening. This bow knot is finished. Finally, stick the bow on gingerbreadman's neck. This is a very lovely gingerbread man.